Okay, so if you have a window extension that does not meet flush to the pet door insert, then what we first need to do is remove the top panel from the window extension by taking a Phillips head screwdriver and undoing the screws at the top. One screw on either side, like so. Remove the top panel. Push the window down flush. You want to take a rubber mallet. If you don't have a rubber mallet, then you can use a standard hammer, but you would want a timber block at the end so that you're not hitting the aluminium extrusion with the metal hammer. But if you do have a rubber mallet, then we just give it a tap on the actual extrusion of the door itself, not on the telescopic rod. On either side until that bangs down into place, like so. If you then need to hit your middle horizontal extrusion in order to bang that down, then take your piece of timber, press it up against the rubber of the Perspex seal, and then give it a tap down on either side, like so.